Yesterday we released more money to the accounts, to the students' accounts and the universities to ensure that students, as they are opening, they are getting their resources. Now, funds that are being released in phases. So again, if a student is opening in October, they might go into their portal and they find the money has not been uploaded for good reason, because we are opening in October. So we are not loading the money for you today. We are loading for those ones depending on how they are opening, so that it is structured. So there is no confusion as has been indicated, but if you find that there's something that you've not understood, the universities are ready, they have teams in place to assist you. So you would find that in the same program, students would pay different amounts because their levels are different. They are in different categories because of their need that has been determined using the expanded MTI to ensure that we bring the students to be as close as possible, to reflect as close as possible to what their value in means or their value in income per household is. So combined, the reduction of the fees and the expanded MTI, we've now been able to make the university education more accessible, meaning more students would be able to pay, and this creates that income raising or revenue raising capacity for the university, so that now the universities are going to have that much more and it will be sustainable. So there isn't any sort of confusion. The confusion that was there for Nairobi University is that the data for how much each student was supposed to pay was made ready on Friday the 15th. But the University of Nairobi was opening on the Monday of 18th. So over the weekend, they were not able to upload the actual fees per student into their portals.